Today we announce the state committee of RLD Tamil Nadu. We announce Raja Raman Govindarajan as a state president of Tamil Nadu RLD, and we form RLD in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Raja Raman is our president, and he formed a committee within a month with all community, religion, areas, all political leaders. They Mr. Rajaraman is announced within a 1 month. Our party stand for villager, farmer, women empowerment के लिए, and we are for unemployment youth, because in Tamil Nadu is very big unemployment. We should like small scale industry. Government should give a loan to youth 20 lakh to 50 lakh minimum interest of rate, and they form the small scale industry like a sabun, matches, kapda, diya salai, juta, copy, book, pen, pencil. They can made by hand. So we are support of small scale industry. We are not America. America is in area is bigger than us in 4 times, and we are in population bigger than America in 5 times. So we can't behave like America. We support small scale industry, and small scale industry give a maximum work for youth, and अगर यूथ रोजगार मिलेगा इन नौजवानों को तो क्राइम कंट्रोल में भी unemployment is not given by youth, so crime control rates go up. So I request to Chief Minister, he gave the youth for small scale industry 20 lakh to 50 lakh. There is in village, there is no road, hospital. This hospital has no doctor, no medicine. There is a very much problem in Tamil Nadu. Farmer is very poor here for paddy, for or so many crops are there. So we would like government support to farmer. Chaudhary Chand Singh says, if farmer is strong, then India is strong. Chaudhary Chand Singh says, rural India is real India. So I say, if rural is strengthened by the government, then India also a big power in world. It is my submission. So we work for farmer, we work for women empowerment, we work for villager, we work for weaker section, we work for unemployment youth. So RLD stand by these. So I would like our state leader, meeting with our all friends and take a time with Chief Minister or raise this question. ये तमाम इन these question raised by front of Chief Minister, and I will be demand RLD demand के you strengthen village, you strengthen farmer, you strengthen unemployment youth and women also. So and उनका करना है क्या, जनरल सेक्रेटरी बता रहे थे कहाँ भी है तो है नहीं, सो टाइम पे है नहीं आने का, यहाँ आने का तो टाइम नहीं है, अनाउंस कर दें. We Ravi Pillai also state general secretary and A Tarnakaran state treasurer also announced today. And Mr. You gave the press a briefing, press notes to this, all. Yes.
Sir, whether you will be participating in the election, sir, in 2000.
Oh yes,
one
yes,
more year is there for
yes.
election.
We participated in a state election, MLA election, or sure.
Any alliance, sir?
We are in NDA, so we discuss with NDA friends, and then we fight the election.
So what is the main principle in Tamil Nadu? The principle is there.
Principle
For Tamil Nadu.
principle model of working.
मैंने बताया मॉडल अब हम बताया तो फॉर फार्मर्स, फॉर विलेजर, फॉर स्टूडेंट,
So
फॉर
in Tamil
वीमन.
Nadu, lot of issues are going regarding NDA party something.
No, NDA is in Delhi, but Tamil Nadu, there is a AIDMK, BJP also, we also. So we discuss with among आपस में बातचीत करके we fight the election.
Why do you think your party is starting now, the state unit now?
Yes, Chaudhary Chand Singh time there is a unit in Tamil Nadu, and Ajit Singh time there is also unit in Tamil Nadu. But sometime we are our working is slow.
அஜித் சிங் குமார் சாண்டில்யம் அவர்களுக்கும் எனது மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். ஆர்எல்டி கட்சி விவசாயிகளுக்காக ஒரு கட்சி. நம் மாநிலத்தில் டெல்டா பகுதியில் விவசாயம் சிறந்து வளர்வதற்கும் ஒடுக்கப்பட்ட மக்களுக்கு அனைவருக்கும் பாதுகாப்பாக ஆர்எல்டி அமையும் என்பதை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு
अपने तरीके से